right? So copying the offset address into the specified offset register in the instruction is nothing but the purpose of this particular instruction, load effective address. Right. Next one is load data segment or load extra segment. You just see how we copy the some value into the BX register and also some value into the DS or ES register. For example, when I give the instruction like load the data segment register, right, with the BX colon 5000, when I give the instruction like this, right? So BX is a 16-bit register. The first memory location in 5000 is the address, right? Here I was giving the source address, the data address I gave. So in the 5000 memory location, whatever the instruction, whatever the 8-bit data is there, that will be copied into the lower register of the BX, that is BL. BL contains the XX. First number will be lower byte, and next number will be the higher byte if it is a 16-bit number. So copying the 16-bit number into the BX register, right, with the help of this instruction, right? In this instruction, what happens? You just see. One is copying the value into the BX, that may be a offset address or some other one, right, or normal value, right? So into the BX register and copying the base address into the base register. For example, segment register. So if I am copying the segment base address into the data segment, then at the same time I can copy the offset address into the BX also with the help of LDS, load data segment or load extra segment instruction. LDS or LES space BX comma 5000 means the first 2 bytes will be copied into the BX. This may be offset address, and next one is DS or ES contains the remaining 2 memory location contents. Lower byte will be copied into the first byte 5002. This is the lower byte, and the next memory location 5003, that is the higher byte, such a way that NNMM is the 16-bit base address. This is a 16-bit base address. You don't think this is some name or something. No, it is the address, right? Base address. So here base address is copied into the DS or ES. And BX is loaded with the content which is available in the 5000 and 5001, right? Any doubt in this? Loading the offset address and loading the base address with the help of LEA and LDX. In LDS, we can copy the offset address and also we can copy the base address. Whereas in LEA, we can copy the offset address only into the offset registers and also segment base registers. It is segment registers, right? Right, here LAHF instruction, load the load AH from lower byte of flag register. A flag register is a 16-bit register, right? One is a lower byte and another one is higher byte. Combined together, it is a 16-bit register. So in order, whenever we wanted to copy the lower byte of the flag register, then we can use this instruction LAHF, such a way that we can load the lower byte of the flag register into the AH register. AH is an 8-bit register, right? Lower byte is the 8-bit, such a way that we can copy the lower byte of the 8-bit flag register into the AH. copying the lower byte of flag register into the AH register by using LAHF. SAHF, just reverse. AH value will be stored in the lower byte of the flag register. Store AH to the lower byte of flag register, right? So these two are either copying and writing. Read operation, write operation, like that, right? Load operation and store operation. In between the AH and lower byte of flag register. In between AH and lower byte of flag register. PUSHF, push flags onto the stack. In order to push the flags onto the stack, we use this, right? So we can push the flags into the stack for a stack segment whenever we use the instruction PUSHF, pushf. POPF means read the flags from the stack, right? So we can read the flags from the stack by using this POPF instruction, pop flags, pop operation, push operation of the flag, right? Flag register. Next one, arithmetic instructions. When we see the arithmetic instructions, add with the different, right? First one is add AX comma 0100, immediate instruction, because immediately addressing mode. Immediately data is available in the instruction itself. First example. That is why it is an immediate addressing mode, right? So second one is register addressing mode, because source data is available in the register. You always remember that. And what type of addressing mode, that is very important, right? And another one is add AX comma square bracket FS, indirect addressing mode, right? This is the source data source address, right? Data address contained by the SI register. SI register handles the address of the data such a way that we can copy the data into the AX, right? 16-bit data we are copying. That is why destination size is 16-bit register. Another one is direct addressing mode. Add AX comma square bracket of 5000. The data which is available in the 5000 will be added to the AX, and result is available in AX only. Because this is a destination operand, so result is available in AX always in all these instructions. So when it comes to here, the result is available in 5000 memory location after performing the addition between the data in 5000 and also the direct data 0100. It is a immediate addressing mode because the data is immediately available in the instruction itself, right? Any doubt in this? Right, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, we will go for the next one. Right. Right. So, in the specified address by the BX, whatever the data is available, that data will be incremented by 1. Right. The data will be incremented by 1. This is indirect addressing mode. The first one is register addressing mode. The third one is direct addressing mode. Here, the content whatever is available in the 5000 memory location, the content will be increased by 1. Right? There is an instruction specification. So you just see in different ways we can perform the increment operation, a single time increment operation. Right? Only one time increment. Similarly, decrement, we can perform the decrement also by using DEC instruction, right? DEC space AX. AX value will be decremented by 1 and result is available in AX only. DEC space square bracket of 5000. So 5000, the data in the 5000 will be decreased by 1 and result is available in 5000 only, right? Such a way that you should think about the first source data and type of operation and result, where the result will be stored, right? Any doubts? If anybody is having any doubts, please ask. right? K5, any doubt?
Sir, what is the difference between loading and storing, sir?
What is the difference between the
Loading and storing.
loading is nothing but taking the data, reading operation, reading the data from the memory, right? Read operation. Loading is nothing but read operation. Storing is nothing but write operation, right? For example, if you take something from your friend, it is just like read, right? Taking something from your friend. For example, if you give something to him, then write operation, right? Simple thing. Taking one is copying the data, and another one is sending to the other port. So it is nothing but loading and storing. Loading always related to the read operation, right? Copying operation. And storing operation is nothing but write operation. It is nothing but sending the data. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So another one is logical instructions. And operation means and AX comma 0008 immediate addressing mode, and AX comma BX. The content between the AX and BX will be performed. The AND operation will be performed between the content of AX and BX, and result is available in AX because this is a destination operand, right? Destination operand. Left side is the destination operand, comma, and right side is the source operand. So that is why always the result will be available in the destination operand after performing the addition or subtraction or multiplication or something, right? AND operation or OR operation. So this is a direct addressing mode, register addressing mode. Once again, fourth one, like that. AND operation. So whenever I specify this for some number in the square bracket means this is address of data. Please keep it in your mind, right? So OR logical, OR operation, right? So in order, whenever we perform the OR operation between the two numbers. CR, please take the screenshots.
Done, sir.
Okay, okay. Right, so like that, AX, BX contents, similarly AX and some memory location contents. Similarly, content in the memory location and the direct number. I didn't put the square bracket here. You just see the meaning is it is direct number. Whereas when I put a square bracket means it is the this is the address of the data. Data will be in this memory location, 5000 memory location, right? So I'm not displaying the number here. Just I gave the address of the number. So whatever the number is available in this address, that will be operated with the 0008, right? That is OR operation between the content in 5000 memory location and 0008. Similarly, not operation, right? So over till logical. In the next class, I will discuss about string instructions, right? So with this, I will be concluding the today's session. If anybody is having any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. Any doubts? Madam Randy, any doubts?